members will now receive free access to at least one OMS scenario per quarter. So our intention is to support you where you teach to access high quality educational content, and that's what the partnership with OMS is. So thank you, Miguel, for all you've done.
OMS is everything that I wish I had when I was a medical student. I love that we are always putting patient safety at the centre of everything that we do. So when we create our content, we're creating it very much from a clinical safety and good practice point of view.
Yeah, really good. So the students absolutely love it. So from first year, it's a little bit tentative, it's a new system, but they absolutely love it. It's like being in a clinical situation, but not actually having that kind of scaredness of being actually with patients.
OMS are fantastic at coming in and supporting faculty. So it can be really daunting when you've got, 260 plus scenarios. You think, which one do I need to use? What's the most appropriate for my learning outcomes? And OMS have designated some teams that come in and actually do faculty onboarding and do faculty training.
It's definitely going to go far. It's going to completely change the way we teach. And it's not going to, it's not going to replace the clinical setting, but it's certainly going to help them with that kind of theory and practical bridge.